So this is, an invite to anyone out there, shops especially that have done the grind, that have put in the work, that have worked so hard to get to a level of respect, trust, and set some standards to actually be able to make a change in this industry. I would hope that this podcast continues to bring people like that forward and say, I'm a little tired of standing up in my regional meeting and being the only person speaking to things that are going to constructively help improve this industry. Where are all the other shops? And that's not to throw anyone under the bus. I'm going to use the dentist example, Joel. Do you guys, when you go to the dentist, pay a line on their invoice that says clean office? Like, is that a line item on a dentist's bill?
No.
But would you use a dentist that has like a dog laying on a mat in the corner and dust all over the counter, papers everywhere? Like, would you actually stick around and be like, hey, I really want to see the back of your shop? The front looks great.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
And so, to me, that's a standard.
That's a good one.
Like, that's an expectation that, when you walk into your guys' shops, there's been effort put to appreciate that we're more than just a body shop. Like, we're an experience. We're here to take away the stress and chaos of this accident. That's passion, guys. That's you love taking that customer who literally was just on their way to work, got rear-ended, and their whole life fell apart. And they walk in, and they're not just greeted with a clean environment, they're greeted with a smile. Fixing the car is technically the easy part. Go figure. It's getting that customer to realize that, hey, we're here for life now. We are going to help you through this issue. But why then do you still see shops that have crap everywhere in their office and don't actually take pride in how they look? What do you say to somebody like that?